Okay, so I wanted to document this process because I've never cooked in my entire life. Literally, I don't do it. I can't bake. I can make Eggos and grilled cheese and pizza and toast and pasta, and that's it. So I'm taking a risk today, and I'm going to try boiling broccoli because one time I was on vacation and people made broccoli in a pot with olive oil and garlic powder. And so I just cut up my broccoli, and I don't know if I did it right, but here it is. So my concern is, how do you do this so that the broccoli doesn't burn? Like, do you just have to put so much olive oil in there that, like, so I don't know. I hope a fire doesn't start, and I hope I don't ruin the money that I spent on broccoli because I really enjoy broccoli. So here we go, guys. Cooking with Rylan. Okay, so I think, I don't know if this is right, but I'm just gonna, okay, well, hang on. Oh dear. What's wrong with this? This is new olive oil, so I don't know what's, oh, it's one of these. Jesus. Okay. So I think I'm also gonna need, oh, Dios mío. Oh my. So I think I'm gonna use a spoon. I've got my garlic right here. So, all right, I think what I have to do is put a lot of olive oil in here because I think it could burn. So here we go. I don't know. And put some more just to be cute. And that's about $8 worth of olive oil. Now, I'm gonna put a lot of garlic in here. Because this is a lot of broccoli. Well, and that's a lot of garlic. Oh, dear God. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna put this on, I don't even know. Low? High? We'll put it on low. Is this even on? What's happening? Okay. I'll put it up. Well, okay, we'll leave it there. All right. So I don't know. What do I do? Do I stir this? Okay, so you can see the olive oil at the bottom, so that's good news. I have to turn this up. Nothing's happening. Oh dear. Okay. I'm gonna start stirring. Hard to hold the camera. Okay, I don't know if that burning noise is good or bad. I'm turning this down. I don't know what's going on. Is this sauteing? Is that what this is? Am I sauteing this broccoli? Perhaps. And it smells good. I feel like Rachel Ray right now, but uber gay. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. I mean, it looks like the broccoli, like the garlic is starting to penetrate the broccoli, or the garlic is starting to penetrate the broccoli. This is very difficult to do with one hand. I don't know why I'm doing this. No one's gonna watch this video, but in case my house burns down or I die, now I have video of what happened. I don't know what I don't know what's supposed to be happening. Like, is that good? Is that bad? Is that too much garlic? Hang on, I need to stir this. Hold up. Okay. I mean, this smells delicious. All about it. Oh, motherfucker. I don't know what this is supposed to look like. So this is what it looks like. There's lots of gobs of like garlic, and it's simmering. So again, I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't smell anything burning yet, so I'm gonna keep stirring this, and then I think I'm gonna try a piece. Yeah, like, okay, I'm gonna turn this down. And try a little piece. Nope, that's too big. That's too small. Okay, this looks good. All right. How hot is this? Not bad. Okay, here we go. Hopefully I don't burn my mouth. Ugh. Very oily. Oh. I don't know. Ooh. No. I don't know if it needs more garlic, but it's very oily. I'm gonna add more garlic and see if that helps. I don't know. Yeah, it's like, it's wet. Like I said, it's oily. Maybe it needs some salt. The last time I had this, what really changed it around was salt. But I feel like that should be added as you're eating it, because if you put too much salt in here, that could really ruin it. But fuck it. I'm gonna run. Hey. Okay. I'm gonna put some salt in here. Not a lot. Alright. Ooh! I definitely think I put too much olive oil in here. Crazy how much this gets cooked down though. Science. Okay. Time to try another piece. Ah, I see it. Perfect test piece. Alright. Ow. I mean, I guess. As good as it's gonna get, I think. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna keep stirring. But, it's okay, I guess. I don't know what I was expecting. I guess to not taste this bad was my expectation.